Winter storm watch in effect from Monday evening to Wednesday morning. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a winter storm watch for heavy snow mixed with sporadic amounts of sleet, which is in effect from 8 p.m. Monday to 10 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties: in Colorado, Boulder, Broomfield, Clear Creek, Denver, Gilpin, Grand, Jefferson, and Summit. A fast-moving cold front from Canada is expected to track into the region today. Heavy snow and sporadic amounts of sleet is likely with this system. Accumulations: snow accumulations of 12 to 18 inches are possible. The heaviest snow is likely Tuesday afternoon, around 1 o'clock. Sleet amounts of 3/4 of an inch are possible near Interstate 70. A winter storm watch means that potentially dangerous winter weather conditions are possible in the next 12 to 48 hours. Difficult traveling conditions are possible during this storm. Roads may become hazardous to near impassable. Be very careful if ice is present. Slippery roads can cause dangerous automobile accidents. If you're within 5 minutes of your destination, complete your journey. Plowing crews may have difficulty plowing the roads if the snow is heavy enough. Please stay tuned to NOAA Radio for further updates and information on this developing situation. Winter storm warning in effect from 8 a.m. Tuesday to 1 a.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow and freezing rain, which is in effect from 8 a.m. Tuesday to 1 a.m. Wednesday. Locations impacted include, in Colorado, Boulder, Broomfield, Clear Creek, Denver, Gilpin, Grand, Jefferson, and Summit. Hazards: heavy snow and freezing rain, winds, sustained winds of 25 to 30 miles per hour with some isolated areas of gusts reaching up to 40 miles per hour. Snow accumulations, 12 to 18 inches, freezing rain accumulations, 3/4 of an inch. Timing: snow will reach the area this morning and will gradually intensify through the afternoon before weakening into the evening. Impact: heavy snow will make travel very dangerous through the course of the storm. Heavy snow and gusty winds will result in scattered power outages and downed trees. Blowing snow will cause reduced visibility, making travel more dangerous. Temperatures, in the teens and 20s. Temperatures will be in the mid-20s to low 30s Tuesday evening. A winter storm warning means that severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow expected in the forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case you're stranded or in case of a medical emergency. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Avalanche Information Center. An avalanche warning is in effect for the following counties: Boulder, Clear Creek, Douglas, Gilpin, Jefferson, and Larimer, beginning at 4 p.m. Tuesday and expiring at 12 p.m. Wednesday. Affected areas include Boulder, Castle Rock, Central City, Fort Collins, Georgetown, and Golden. Mountains susceptible to avalanches include the Front Range, Indian Peaks, Longs Peak, Mount Evans, and Pike National Forest. The avalanche danger is high, rated at level 4 to 5 on the North American Public Avalanche Danger Scale. It will be very easy to trigger avalanches until Wednesday morning. Avalanches can run naturally, and you can trigger them from the bottom of slopes or from a distance. If triggered, avalanches will be large and very dangerous. The heightened risk of avalanches is due to a large load of new snow that fell a few hours ago on a weak snowpack, creating very dangerous avalanche conditions. Travel on avalanche terrain is not recommended. If an avalanche is triggered or expected to be triggered, residents may be required to evacuate. As a precaution, stay away from the mountains. No sledding, skiing, or snowboarding. Do not make loud noises, as vibrations could destabilize the snow. Tune in to NOAA Weather Radio for more information on this developing situation.
Immediate evacuation for the city of Denver and surrounding areas. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Avalanche Information Center and the Colorado Department of Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 4:28 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a massive avalanche was triggered on the Rockies. The cause of the avalanche is unknown. Due to this, all residents of the city of Denver and surrounding areas are strongly advised to evacuate the city immediately. Shelters have been set up in the following cities: Grand Junction, Pueblo, Durango, Greeley, and Aurora. Locations of these shelters may be found at www.fema.gov. When evacuating, make sure you tie a white towel or a cloth to your door or mailbox to let the authorities know you have safely evacuated the area. Do not use the telephone if you need assistance. Should you need assistance, emergency management and law enforcement officials will escort you to the nearest pickup point. Make sure you bring essential supplies including non-perishable food, water, clothes, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries to last the duration of this emergency. Do not pick up relatives from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes. These facilities have their own emergency evacuation procedures and will follow them accordingly. Try to take one car per family if possible. Contraflow has been enacted on all U.S. highways in the area to keep traffic moving fast and efficiently. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse than it already is. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Please stay tuned to local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. This is an administrative message transmitted at the request of the Colorado Avalanche Information Center and the Colorado Department of Emergency Management Agency. The avalanche that affected the city of Denver and surrounding areas has ended. However, residents who evacuated are advised not to return to their homes at this time. A significant amount of snow has built up in the affected areas, with snow levels reaching several feet in some locations. This has created dangerous conditions that must be addressed before it is safe for residents to return. Plowing and clearing operations are currently underway, but are expected to take several days to complete due to the volume of snow and the extent of the affected area. Authorities are working diligently to ensure that roads and infrastructure are safe and accessible. Updates on the progress of the snow removal efforts and the timeline for safe return will be provided through local media outlets and official government websites. Please continue to stay in the designated shelters and follow instructions from emergency management officials. Your safety is our top priority. Thank you for your cooperation and patience during this time.